How's it going, guys? Welcome. I'm bringing back Nexus Rewards, a program that I actually had on my YouTube, some time back. So it's nothing new, but for the new year, it is revamped. The price point's still amazing, but it's revamped. There's going to be some additions to everything. And it's just going to be a solid company. Art Phelps and his brother, are behind this company, and they've been consistent even with everything that's dropped in the make money space. It's still been consistent. I think they added a few more products since then. So we've always had the Nexus Benefit Hub, where you can get a lot of rewards and benefits, currently used by 23% of Fortune 500 companies. A few people actually use this platform that I've seen. They did add the Nexus Bill Reduction Program where you can save money on your existing bills. And, this company will collect a little percentage when they save you a lot of money. Prescription, if you're still using prescription, up to 80% off prescription. Shopping Boss, where you can actually purchase some gift cards that you can use real time, and it's going to give you some cash back. And they also have a discount on, the platform, one of the biggest platforms used, $12.99 for one of the big, memberships on Zoom. So 500 people, unlimited cloud storage, broadcast live to Facebook, $12.99 a month. And then we have another thing going on with free apps. You've heard some of these. So you can have your affiliate links in the back office. And, with Ruka Time, you can earn up to $30, back for each member. So when they spend 30 within the app, you can earn 30 back. Upside, a nice app for cash back. And Fetch Rewards, one of my biggest apps that I used to use when I did rideshare or just shopping. You get a lot of gift cards back. I actually just got a $25 gift card for Amazon. So even as a free member, you're going to get access to these. So as a free member, you can refer people to this program and earn, but you can really refer people to these apps. So you can actually get an extra $30 as a free member. But premium, it's not too lightly. Premium for everything in premium is going to be $49.95. So just round it, you can round it up. And it's going to be $9 a month. So that $49.95 is going to give you some amazing benefits, but as well as you're going to have a nice little commission. But some amazing benefits, the main benefits you can, have at that price point. So this is going to be an amazing program in 2023 to end it off with and going into the new year. So let's actually look at the compensation plan a little bit before I, stop this video. So right here, we're looking at another way you can, promote the compensation plan. So we're just going to run through this real quick. Low cost only $9.95 per month plus a one-time $40 affiliate fee, 7-day money back guarantee. So an amazing thing about this is, remember, these are digital software. So you earn by using the apps. I touched on that. Earn on free members. I touched on that. 50% fast start bonuses, 10 plus level referral bonus, and leadership infinity bonuses, lucrative 3x10 matrix, 100% check match, 20% coded bonuses. A lot of people don't have coded bonuses, and a 2% bonus pool. A lot of you that are brand new to this, this might not wow you, but just know as you're building with this program, you're going to have some residual income, and not just some fast start money. At the apps a little bit, you see these people are showing you what they've earned using, our apps. So you can look at this a little bit. And we're going to scroll to the left a little bit. People can join Nexus for free. They get $34 to download and use the free apps. You earn $34 in app referral bonuses. So you can earn a little income with that. So you earn $25 on paid referrals, so you're going to earn off of that affiliate fee actually. So you're going to see that right there. And here's some more looks at the fast start bonuses. When you start, bringing some people in, you're going to earn $5 on your second level, 50 cents on your third level, which if, we're moving quickly, this is going to add up. Weekly infinity earnings. So this is right here where there's just some extra ways to get paid. A lot of you don't have to master this right now, but just knowing the back end, you're going to have access to some other ways to get paid. The matrix might be your second point to focus on. You're going to earn 2.5% in the matrix, a little bit of money just because it's only a $9.95 amount that we're looking at. So it's not like you're spending a lot of money. So the commissions are going to be a little low on a monthly basis, but we're looking to build this business pretty much up. Here's an example at the bottom. But just know you want to come in and learn the business. You want to build the business, and the rest is going to add up. So we have some matching bonuses. So as a pro member, you're going to earn 50%. As a 1-star, you're going to earn 75%. And as a diamond, you're going to earn 100%. Actually, our promotion now into the new year, if you go on and hit, pro 25, you're going to be able to earn 100% check matching bonuses. So if you're going to get your 25, you're going to be able to earn, matching bonuses like you're at the end of the compensation plan. And 20% coded infinity bonuses is probably another area you want to look at. So what's going to happen is when your first 5 members, 2 random members, as far as coded bonuses, is going to pass up to your sponsor. So it's only going to be $2 out of that $9.95. That's going to pass up to your sponsor, and they're still going to be you. So you're still going to earn your residuals. But as far as the infinity bonuses, that $4 is going to pass up to your sponsor. So what's so amazing about this is it's going to happen with your referrals as well. So imagine you have these random $2, incomes coming in from all these people in your organizations. And just those $2 out of, that $9.95 is going to be coded to you. You're not going to lose your member. You're not going to lose your residuals for signing up your members, but it's just an extra bonus that a lot of people don't have. So 2024 diamond bonus pool. So this is going to be coming into, the new thing added. You're going to have 0.5% as a diamond. A diamond is 1,000. I want to say 1,000 reps. So this is like, the end of that compensation plan, but it's going to be amazing when you're seeing all this revenue that you're going to be able to earn just being a certain rank in the company. So here's why this company is standing out. And you can see that to the right of me. 90% of people lose money, have to sell and convince people high price products, auto ships, hard to break even, less signups, equal less duplication. People always quit before they get their breakthrough. And this is a solution that we're going to bring. Everyone can easily make money. People already want what we have. Low subscription, only $9.95, very low $9.95. Very easy to get in profit, more signups, more duplication, people staying, retention. So you're already using probably half of these apps, or you're going to be able to use half of these apps. So really your $9.95 is going to be nothing, So initially after you get that $50, entry fee, which to me, that is very inexpensive in an online space. You got to think I joined my first business for $500. So we have the answers for you. So this is some qualification stuff. So, 5 members to be a pro 25 is, 25 people, etc. So this is just some more compensation plan as far as, ranking up. So that is Nexus. Snap is very simple program and very simple back office. And this is what we're going to be running with. You're going to see a lot of videos on this. So get in, get your apps, use your apps, and it's simple as that. And in the new year, we'll be launching all these bonus pools, and all our matrix will be in full effect. So right now, get in, add some people in, make some fast start bonuses, and let's